Hey guys, so the beginning of this video totally disappeared. But basically I'm just talking about, Whitney, Natural 85, her new Melanin Twist and Elongating Cream. And that's basically it. So, hey guys, let's just get into it.
The fact she came out with a twisting cream, it's perfection. But today, I was reading the back and it says, perfect for twist outs and wash and goes. I don't know about you guys, but I didn't know this was for wash and goes, and I'm ecstatic. I could do a twist out for y'all, another time, subscribe, stay tuned. But we're gonna try a wash and go today, okay? So I'm gonna pair this with my leave-in conditioner, which is already in my hair. I'm using the Shea Moisture Curl Milk, Styling Curl Milk. You guys know what it is. That's my leave-in, and I kept some heat in my hair because low porosity problems. So we're just gonna use this next, and if needed, I was gonna pair it with the gel, but I don't know, I'm gonna see how I feel. But I am gonna use the Curl Maker by Camille Rose. We'll see if I do wanna add a gel on top of that, but yay! I'm so happy. This stuff smells like straight shea butter. Like, if you're wondering, it's just shea butter. Like, I don't know why I thought it would be like essential oily perfumey or something, but shea butter, and thick as hell. Okay, this is not going anywhere. Because I have fine strands, I don't want to use too much, and I probably don't need to use too much, but let's get into this. We're just gonna kind of leave this right here so it can kind of keep some heat. All right, so we're gonna start with this back section. I kind of lightly detangled. All I did was co-wash. Yeah, I just co-washed. Okay, push this up. Okay, so I also have my spray bottle with some really warm hot water and my Felicia Leatherwood brush detangler just in case. All right, fun fact, finger detailing is my ultimate favorite way of detangling, but one run or two run throughs with the Felicia Leatherwood does me good. I'm gonna grab that much, which is probably too much. So let me take some off actually. Okay, so this much. Let's just do this whole section. Why not? Okay, I'm adding a little more. Ah. Okay. So just a little update to my wash and goes. I began twirling the ends of my hair. This is mostly because the colored pieces act up so bad lately and like frizz up really easily. So twirling some of the ends and letting them dry that way has been doing me some real good. All right, so there's definitely a good shine on it, and I can tell it's gonna be moisturized. But it's not like combating frizz or anything, which, let me just take this off, which mind you, it's not claiming to do any of that. So I'm gonna go in with just a little bit of the Curl Maker gel. Oh, I didn't do a product test to see if these two work together well. Oh, no problems. Awesome. Just twirling the ends again. What do y'all think? Okay, I'm trying to see if it's defining them that well, but it's decent. Let's see. Starting to feel that the ultimate use is for twist outs. We'll see. So definitely not to be used on its own. I would definitely use a gel because it's not gonna help with like frizziness, which, you know, as naturals we're gonna have frizz, but there's a certain level of frizz that I'm allowing in my life right now. So here we go. What do you guys think? I guess the ultimate factor is, what does this look like when it's dry? All right, so I'm gonna do the rest of my head and come back when I come to the top so you guys can see it again one more time. Woo! This is what we got so far. Ooh. Let's see. So, working with it, easy peasy. It gets along with the curl gel maker. I'm expecting it to kind of get along with everything because it's basically natural ingredients in here, or at least a ton of natural ingredients. No sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oil, no formaldehydes, and no phthalates. She knows what she's talking about, okay? I'm going to sit under my dryer and let it bake for a little bit and majority of the way, and then do the rest of my face because I am supposed to head out soon. And yeah, we'll come back with the final result. I do feel like this is not a super defining product, but it definitely is good at clumping and moisturizing, which is really what you need with some gel for defining. So we'll see. I'm feeling good about this. All right, stay tuned, guys. Whew. Okay, guys, we are back. Please ignore how my lamp's on and there's nothing going on over here. Whatever. Anyways, hey guys, I'm back. So it is 95% dry. So these results aren't bad, y'all. I will say I'm not gonna like run and reach for this when I want to do a wash and go, but if this is the only thing I got, it's not bad. It's not bad. Only say that it's not good by itself, which is kind of how I like my wash and go products. I want them to be able to work by themselves and do everything. But no, it needs a little friend or two, you know. But it's not bad. It's not bad at all. Here it is. Here are my results. I'll turn around for you guys. So here it is. It's not bad. I don't have anything to say. The product's blended flawlessly. There's no like flaking or anything going on. So for a wash and go, it's decent, you know? Not my favorite product for a wash and go, but like I said, if this is your only choice on a deserted desert, I'd get it. I'd try it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. If you are thinking about trying it out for a wash and go for it. Why not? And yeah, like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe, join the family. And also subscribe so you don't miss my next video with Melanin. We're definitely gonna, of course, try a twist out. So definitely stay tuned for that. Turn on your notification bell so you don't miss it. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.